So even though it's middle of February, it is like 60 degrees outside and it's been like that for a week. So time to put wheels back on the wagon, change it back from studs. Alright, since this is a rear-wheel drive car, I'm about to lift the rear, you always want to make sure you check the front wheels. Even actually, I don't know, I think they're from AutoZone. Same brand as the Rams, Rhino, whatever. And if you have a vehicle similar to the Caprice, the best way to lift the ass of it, because you have this slanted rear wheel, so it doesn't it's pretty hard to get the wheel out if you lift it by the axle, which is what most of the people do. But what I found out works the best for me is to see where the control arm right here is, right before the control arm. That's where it goes in pretty well. You can see there's a huge indent over here, probably from all the lifts. We got a little bit of clearance going, so now it's all tight in here. Just get the new wheel ready here. Alright. The reason why it's all about timing here is because the rear axle can sag a little bit more. This tire will need replacement very soon. It's very dry rotted. You always want to thread them by hand. If you use an impact, you don't want to hit them with impact right away, because if you have any chance of cross thread, you don't want to do that. Okay. And since we're using aftermarket wheels, we don't have clearance for the deep impact socket, so we're gonna have to use a chrome on it. I'm gonna set the gun to number 1. We're going to do the same thing on this side here. kan use our chrome socket on this. Don't let anybody tell you that Pittsburgh sockets are shit. This fucker been used and abused for years on the impact gun. I'm gonna retorque them more later. This is just temporary. Front is kind of a little bit more of the same. You can technically lift it by the engine support, but I don't like to do that. Front does have quite a bit of travel too, so if you're not using jack stands, which you should be, I'm just showing you how to do right things the wrong way. But if you're using jack stands, you're a lot safer than what I'm doing. What I'm doing is like a getaway of doing it. Man, this gun impacts like crazy. Sweet. Now same thing on the other side. Alright, since the fun part is done, just roll over it. Then we're going to check, make sure that we have sorry, I forgot I'm not running microphone. I just gotta check, make sure that we have good pressure. They've been sitting for a couple months. Man, this has been a warm winter though. I'll put them right at 35. Do for all four. And now we're gonna do a very overlooked step, is torquing the wheels. 200 foot-pounds, because for some reason lots of people don't use torque wrenching wheels. I feel it's essential because your wheels is the only thing that's holding you on the road pretty much, so you want to make sure that shit's torqued properly. So we're at 100 foot-pounds. Just gonna go and check all the wheels, make sure we're all good. I need even skinnier socket for these wheels. Cool. Now let's go to the back. My body pulls here is probably gonna be talking some shit as usual. Fucker. I don't know. I think Paul is still working. Call him.
No, I'm going to leave. I'm still working too. I'm just driving by and going to the office right now. I figured I'd come by check what you did.
Okay. Alrighty. Everyday setup back on. Alright guys, so that was a video how to do right things the wrong way. Again, hit the like button if you liked the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. I try to upload videos a couple times a week. Yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good day. Take care.